YouTube, man. Kid coming through with another match analysis. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful time. I can see right over here that we do have English Championship and we have some Premier League games playing, so I'm gonna be trying to go for 10 odds. Please nation, smash that like button, smash the subscribe if you're new. Without further ado or wasting your time, let's try and catch a W today. So Chelsea versus Brighton. Okay, so it's Chelsea versus Brighton. Let's see their H2H matches and their average goals, cause Chelsea have been slacking they actually been slacking a lot, but they still third in the in the Premier League. So but if they score today or draw, either way they're gonna take second place after Man City. You know what I'm saying? Because Liverpool yesterday they lost. Liverpool lost. I am so confused. Draw or Chelsea over 1.5. Hopefully the odds are fair. Can we still go down to Chelsea or draw over 1.5? Okay, so it's gonna be Chelsea or draw over 1.5. Alright, Nishi, so I fixed the Wi-Fi thingy. Hopefully it works better now, so I don't waste your time. Chelsea or draw over 1.5. There's no way Chelsea's losing to Brighton. Like, no way. Okay, so Man City have been overperforming, you know what I'm saying? They have been overperforming. I don't know, man, what Pep Guardiola does to these cheats. He's turning them into machines. And yesterday I actually thought that Leicester City was gonna beat Chelsea. No, Leicester City was gonna beat Liverpool based off their performance, you know what I'm saying? So they're playing Brentford, so it's gonna be over 2.5, and it's gonna be City and over 2.5. So if you come over here, you can see that it says Man City and over 2.5, not draw. The other team's not gonna win, guarantee. So hopefully that does not let us down. You know what I'm saying? Blackburn versus Barnsley, whatever it's called. Then we have got Liverpool, Blackpool after this. Okay, so I would go with Blackburn or Barnsley under. Hold on, ma. Okay, I would go with Blackburn's or Blackburn, Barnsley. I would go with Blackburn or draw over 1.5. Yeah. Please don't disappoint me, Blackburn. Alright, so okay, it's over 1.5. Blackburn have been winning. Barnsley stand no choice. Let's see something real quick. Okay, so yeah. Oof. Okay. Up next we have Blackpool versus Middlesbrough. All right, so as y'all boys can see, we have Blackpool, Middlesbrough, Blackpool, Middlesbrough, under 4. Like it's gonna be Blackpool or Middlesbrough, and it's gonna be under 4.5. And I'm saying Blackpool or Middlesbrough under 4.5. Next up, we have Coventry City. Versus Millwall. Let's see what they have real quick. So I would be confident to go with draw or Millwall, Coventry City. But Millwall, as you can see, also have been winning. So I'll go with Millwall or Coventry City. And it's gonna be under 4. Okay, let's do one more team because I said I'm gonna give you guys 10 odds, you know what I'm saying, nation. So hopefully we come back with the W on this one, man. Hopefully we come back with the W. And the next few ones that we're gonna do, hopefully we also come back with the W. But if your boys want me to implement this 3-odd strategy on the group, make sure you smash that like button and comment down below, so tomorrow we can start doing the 3-odd strategy and you can see how effective it is, you know what I'm saying. So it's gonna be Victoria or Bovesta under 4.5, 10.81 odds. Let me quickly copy the Lucy. I'm copy. Don't say I'm sending you guys the wrong codes. I'm gonna copy it in front of you guys. Copy, and I'm gonna post it in the comment section below. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado and wasting your time, nation, we go.